Welcome to Latest Cars 2025, where we explore the most innovative, luxurious, and cutting-edge vehicles designed for the road ahead. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, an RV motorhome that combines the comforts of home with the freedom of the open road. This isn't just any motorhome, it's a stunning luxury model equipped with 6 spacious beds and an oversized shower, setting a new standard for travel convenience and elegance. As we step inside, the first thing that grabs your attention is the sheer sophistication of the interior. From the plush upholstery to the sleek cabinetry, every detail has been carefully designed to create a modern and inviting atmosphere. The open concept layout ensures there's ample space to move around, while the premium materials used throughout the motorhome exude a sense of luxury that rivals high-end hotel suites. The 6 beds are strategically positioned to maximize space and privacy. This configuration makes it perfect for families, groups of friends, or anyone who enjoys traveling with company. Each bed offers more than just a place to sleep, it's a retreat. You'll find high-quality mattresses designed for comfort, with adjustable lighting and built-in storage to keep personal items within easy reach. Whether it's a long road trip or a weekend getaway, these sleeping arrangements ensure everyone can rest in style. One of the standout features of this motorhome is the oversized shower. Typically, RVs compromise on bathroom space, but this motorhome flips the script. The shower area is spacious enough to rival those in traditional homes, with a rainfall shower head that transforms every shower into a spa-like experience. High-end finishes, such as polished chrome fixtures and glass panels, add an extra touch of elegance. The water pressure is excellent, and the heating system ensures a consistent, comfortable temperature, perfect for unwinding after a day of adventure. The kitchen is another highlight, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. Fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a large refrigerator, microwave, oven, and induction cooktop, it's a chef's dream. The countertops are expansive, providing plenty of room for meal prep, and the cabinetry offers abundant storage for groceries and cooking essentials. The dining area is thoughtfully designed, with seating that's both comfortable and practical, making mealtime an enjoyable part of the journey. The living space is where this motorhome truly shines. It's designed to be a hub for relaxation and entertainment, with plush seating and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The large, flat-screen TV and surround sound audio create a cinematic experience, while multiple USB ports and charging stations ensure everyone stays connected. Large windows let in plenty of natural light, enhancing the airy, spacious feel of the interior. In the evening, dimmable LED lights set the perfect mood for winding down. Storage is often a concern in motorhomes, but this model excels in that area. Cleverly designed compartments make it easy to keep everything organized, from clothing to outdoor gear. The underbed storage is particularly impressive, providing ample space without compromising comfort. The exterior storage compartments are equally well designed, offering plenty of room for larger items like camping equipment, bicycles, or extra luggage. Driving this motorhome is an experience in itself. The cockpit is outfitted with advanced technology that makes navigation and operation smooth and stress-free. From the ergonomic seats to the intuitive controls, everything is designed to enhance the driving experience. The motorhome also features advanced safety systems, including lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. What sets this motorhome apart is how it combines luxury with practicality. Every element, from the spacious beds to the oversized shower and high-tech features, is designed to enhance your travel experience. It's perfect for anyone who values comfort and style on the road, offering all the amenities of a high-end home while allowing you to explore new destinations at your own pace. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of luxury RVs. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and insights into the latest innovations in the automotive world. We'll see you in the next video.